we're gonna try a little full day in the life thing today. I don't know, we're gonna see how it works. Right now it is 5:50, and we're just putting the GPS in, and we're gonna go to, we got to pick up in Rhodesville, Maryland, picking up a tator truck, tater truck. And then we're headed to North Dakota. Today is Wednesday. I'm gonna try to be in North Dakota Friday morning. I think I can make it happen, but maybe not. We'll see. Either way, you know, it'll be a good week. Hopefully, knock on wood. So right now we're just putting the address in. And now I know I didn't think about this, but there's a nasty scale on 301 that I may or may not go through. I haven't decided yet. So we'll decide once we get a little closer. I know my way around it, and it's simple fact of it's just the Maryland 301 scale, and they're nasty. You know, they hold you up just to hold you up there. So I don't know. We're going to get going. We're 77 miles away, and then we'll see how I feel when I get close. Actually, you know what? No, this is taking me. What is this? It's just taking me a different route. So we're gonna skip that scale because it says this is closer. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, guys, we're gonna run down through Seaford, Delaware. It's actually gorgeous down there. I love it. So we got her all lit up. Did our pre-trip. Let's get right. So we're about 10 minutes from the drop. Past this little, pulled up on this little place here, and I'll tell you what, every time, I don't know if y'all know or can tell, but I'm old country boy at heart. Whenever I come across an old place like that, I know that's where you get the best homemade breakfast sandwiches. So we stopped, got us some breakfast. We're gonna go up here and we're gonna get loaded. So let's see what they got to offer us. When I say best, I mean best. Now that's a sausage, egg, and cheese, fellas. I don't know if y'all know, but that is a true sausage, egg, and cheese. So we're gonna enjoy it on our last about 5 miles. See you on up the farm. Alrighty, so this here will be our black gold. Picking up a tater trailer, or a tater truck. This, all they do here is potatoes. We take a wild guess and say that truck back there is probably the one we're taking. They're supposed to have a dock for me, but let's see what we can find. Gotta get dressed and go in here and see what they got. We'll be right back. So, like that's our truck right there. I don't know why. I bet you I can get another car on here with that, another truck or something. Where's the loading ramp, Bob?
Loading that truck?
Yeah, where's the loading ramp?
Yeah, the truck's there, the ramp's there, and I knew those guys putting that stuff was stupid.
All right, there. You gonna get that moved for me, or?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you, buddy. There's my ramp. They parked everything in front of me. So we'll sit here. I'm gonna go measure out the truck. When he's done, we're going back up to that there ramp. But I'm going to go measure the truck real quick, and I'll be back, and then we got to get on the load board, because we're going to add another couple G's to this one. Yeah, baby! Alright, so we slid our axles. Go ahead and back her in here. He's cleaning that mess up. You know, something I kind of learned, you know, with doing this is, as a truck driver, you're a truck driver, you know. I used to be the guy that wants to help out and, you know, do everything I can and, you know, all that. But nah, them days are over. The problem is you go out there and you try to, I don't know what he thinks we're doing here, but we ain't going in no mud. You go out there, you try to help, you try to do something different. Not different, but try to be the nice guy. They'll leave you out there by yourself, man. So, that was a lesson that I learned, you know, in trucking by helping, you know, the wrong people. So, we just, I don't know, I don't think y'all can see that, but let me get back in and then we'll get a camera so you guys can see us loading it.
That's why you have no control over the content creation.
We're on 70 westbound now. We're got a potato truck on. Hoping to be up there tomorrow night. We got 1,400 miles to go. I think we've got, I don't know, 8 hours left of driving, which, you know, should get us pretty far. We've got 22 hours left. So, I don't know if we'll make it. We'll see if we can make up some time. I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe not. But we're just going to chug along, knock on wood. Everything's in my favor, and we're going to rock and roll it, boogie boogie. What we do. So I've seen a lot of people are, you know, getting into dispatching, and there's this false ideology, I guess you call it ideology, false belief, or false something, that you need a dispatcher to dispatch you. And in theory, it's a good idea. You know, because people say, well, they've been doing it a while, they know what they're doing, they'll make me more money. But here's the issue with that. I'm not calling nobody a liar, nobody in specific, but I know of people starting like just fresh. You know what I mean? They're talking about, been dispatching 3 years. What have you been dispatching? Your kids to get you a beer? Like, people out here perpetrating a fraud stating, oh, I've been dispatching, I got experience. You know, this new thing is 20% over lane rate. I bet money you're not 20% over true lane rate. You may say 20% over, you know, customer to broker to truck. You may get 20% over that. But that word 20, or that number 20, sounds like a big deal. But so if they get you 20% and they take 10, you've made 10%, But what about the time that they don't get you 20% of it over? What about the time that they take it for what it's on the board for? Well, you'll never know that. You will never know. You know what I mean? Because they're going to call and say, hey, we got a load, blah, blah, blah. Are you interested? And they'll tell you the number. They're not going to say, oh, it's on the board for this, but I'm going to try to talk them into this. And if they do, then they just don't give a hoot. Like, it's that simple. Just don't care. It might be about time for a fuel filter change. Sorry, that just popped in my head. So, if they're taking what's on the load board and what's posted, then they're not doing you any justice. They're not performing a service that can't be done without them. And if anybody says, I will get 20% over the posted rate every time, they're a liar. They're a damn liar. Because I can tell you, especially in Hotshot, like I feel for you guys. God, I feel so bad for Hotshots. Like, I really do. They're not willing to negotiate with you guys. Like, Hotshots are treated like freight guys. Cars aren't that bad on the car side. You know, I've never been talked to differently because I only haul 3 cars instead of 9. I just haven't. But the new Hotshots, I've experienced it with a 45-foot trailer. They've treated me like a hotshot. I'm like, dude, I got an 09 Pete 45-foot trailer with air brakes. Oh, well, 45 foot's a hotshot. No, it's not. Like, people don't understand, but 45 foot used to be the industry standard on flatbed, and it's actually easier to drive because of the setback axles, and it's rarely will you be turned down for a load. The reason you're not getting turned down for loads is because you run out of weight before you run out of room. Flatbed stuff's heavy, heavy, heavy. So, when you're getting into this, I would recommend you get a dispatch trainer. And I'm actually working on a course for that to help you guys. It's not going to be an expensive course or nothing. None of my stuff's expensive. But to help you become a better dispatcher for yourself. Now, if you take this information and you turn it into a business, so be it. You could probably be pretty beneficial. Now, that's a pretty truck. You know, if you play the game right, you'll be alright. You just gotta stay on your P's and Q's, gotta stay on your toes, and do your job like it's intended to be done. So, we're gonna get on up here. We got the dash cam rolling. We gotta get this John on charge, and go from there. Alright, we're climbing this mountain coming out of Frederick, Maryland, up into Hagerstown. She's doing alright. We're just climbing. This guy's gonna make me miss a gear here in a minute. I can see it. Get that downshift, keep her rocking, boy. Oh, come on, son. just because you're running slow, don't hold the next guy up, you know, because I'm not. But I may be pulling 80K. I may be running with all I got, and if you slow me down, you know, that may be all it takes for me to miss a gear and be done. You know, right now, I don't even think we're 60K right now. We're not getting good fuel mileage just because of what we're hauling. We got that big tater truck back there, but you know, just look at the, you know, watch the guys around you, watch what's going on, and I feel like we're getting a little, like a hiccup. I have a feeling it's fuel filter, so we stopped tonight. I got 3 of them in the back, well actually under the bunk, so I'll change my fuel filter. I changed the last oil change, but it's all the places we put different fuel in, different grades, different brands. Dude, I've had fuel filters literally last a week. You get one tank of junk, that's all it takes. All it takes. So yeah, we're gonna run on up here. I don't know. We're gonna try to at least get to I'd like to get to Gary, Indiana. I don't think I'm going to, but that's the goal. So the load we're on right now is a $3,000 load. Like I said, I picked it up Wednesday. If I drop it, today's Wednesday, I picked it up this morning. So if I'm there tomorrow night and then reload Friday, 3 G's, knock out another, over the weekend I'll grab a long haul. You know, maybe put another 5 in the bank. So, I don't know. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Stepdeck is where it's at, baby. But, alright, I'm gonna keep on rocking. Keep on rocking and rolling. Shaking and waking. We don't shake and bake. So, shake and bake, baby, shake and bake. So, alright. See you on the next segment. Alright, so we're all loaded up. Got it strapped down. Best I know how. Dude, that thing over there is driving me nuts. We got chained up. Now this thing was supposed to be 40K and 40,000 pounds. It ended up being like 40 feet. It ended up being 26,000 pounds, but it's almost 40 feet. I looked for a partial to go with it, but I'm no Hotshot Benny over here, so you see, he's empty. Maybe y'all can reach out to Benny, tell him your boy needs school. And a little message to all you Hotshotters. I'm your only boy. It's your boy. Get something else. So your boy is gonna drive down the road. So right now we up out of here, and look, pink out Slurpee. That's what we about. All right, let's get down the road. See how far we can get. And get this show on the road, kid. Ohio and South Georgia. I tell you what, I was just watching a video and he goes, oh, we better clean it up. It's about to rain. And look at this mess. I blame this on South Georgia. South Georgia, this is your fault. Keep that mess in whatever month you're in on your videos. Now let me get back to work. I'm done venting. Nothing that I hate more than construction zones in the middle of the rain in Pennsylvania. I mean, this is just a mess. It's a mess of a mess. It just always is. Oh, there goes some piggies. Alright, you gotta take the cow. Alright, so we are coming into Ohio, and I've got a 70-30 chance that this Easy Pass doesn't work. Me and Ohio don't get along with my Easy Pass. Watch. If it works, I'll be shocked. Oh my Lord, it worked. It never works. Well, it works about 30% of the time here and about 10% in Indiana. So, we are in Ohio. We gotta stop up here and check the logs. I think I accidentally turned my, look at this mess. I think I accidentally turned my heat off under the hood. I gotta check that because I have no heat. Look at that fella. I remember them days. Just one of them days you don't want to wake up. I hear you, baby. I hear you. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, baby. I don't know if we're going to get through Indiana, but we'll see. We will see. Ohio's usually pretty quick. I'm going to pull in right here. I'm going to check my coolant hoses and get back on this big road. Am I stopping right here? I am stopping right here. Half mile. Half mile. Half mile. What's up? It's your boy. So we made it to the Illinois or Ohio Indiana line. Truck's doing good. Truck's doing good. Now I don't know if you guys have noticed in this video, but I'm alone. And unfortunately, I'm going to be alone for a while, I think. So Haze had to, I don't know if he's retired or taking a break. We haven't decided. For about the last month, we don't know if it's anxiety. We don't know if he's allergic to something over the road with all the different grounds he walks on, but his paws get swollen. They get raw and red, and I think he's chewing on them, but I can't catch him. It's either that or they're swelling so much, and you know, his toenails are cutting it. Now you can only cut his toenails so much. So when I take him home, he's on skin medicine because he has like allergies to skin, something. When I take him home and give him his meds, in 3 days he's fine. But he gets in this truck, 3-4 days, it's right back, and I've been fighting it, and you know, finally I had to make a decision where it's not about me, you know, it's about him. And I will tell you, he is not happy. I think he'd rather deal with it, you know, than stay home. So we don't have the dog with us, and I tell you what, man, it's hard to get used to. I slept last night in the truck without the dog, and I don't want to say I'm scared, because I'm not scared, but I will tell you it's not the same. You know, I guess you can compare it to, you know, sleeping with your 9mm next to you, and then all of a sudden you left it at home or whatever, you know, because pretty much it's what it is. So we're good, you know. It sucks. I want my dog, but you know, it's been a good 3 years. So hopefully we can get this figured out and he can come back on the road for more. But for right now, we still have to make this money. So we're gonna be out here alone with somebody, or without somebody, you know, just making a shake. Now, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna try to sneak him every now and then, but we'll see what happens. But ooh, that light went adios. But all right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Tomorrow we've got 900 miles to go. Think I can probably get 7.5 of it done. I'm not gonna get a whole 900 tomorrow. I am gonna get up early, get kicking, so I can shut it down early to get back up early to get moving. So right now it says my ETA is 1 o'clock. So if I would sleep, which I can't, if I would sleep 10 hours and run the 1, 11, so I should be there at 9 o'clock Friday morning, according to this. So that would be alright, but not really. I'd like to be there sooner, just because North Dakota, I don't know where I need to load, and I gotta get out by the weekend. I'm not spending the weekend in North Dakota. So alright guys, that's the plan. Sorry the end of this video is trash. Hope you enjoyed the video, the vlog, some of the new stuff we did today. If you're into trucking vlogs, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when we drop bombs, drop vlogs, go live, which I don't know when I'll do that again. And just do what we do. Like, share, subscribe, hit that ding ding, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.